You'll see here that I'm putting the pepper on the food scale, and it is 40 grams. So I'm going to go on FitnessPal. I'm going to see how much a pepper is. We'll get to that later. So the hummus. On the food label, you'll notice that the hummus right next to the amount, 28 grams, is 80 calories. So this is the tricky part. 28 grams. I'm going to clear out the scale. And on FitnessPal, later when you look, you'll be able to see how you could find the amount for the pepper in grams. So now you're going to see me actually struggling to get just 28 grams of hummus on the pepper. So keep in mind the nutritional label says 28 grams is 2 tablespoons, which will show you how inaccurate it is when you are using actual spoons. And I'm doing this one-handed, of course, because I'm holding a camera, but I was toying with putting double the amount on, but decided to keep it at just 28, which is 80 calories. And that's that. That is 80 calories worth of hummus right there. One bite worth. And that is why I say be careful with hummus. But the point of the matter is that is how you would measure using the scale. So here's another example. Cereal, oatmeal, really anything. First I'm going to show you how to switch the scale from ounces to grams and then zero it out. There's a unit button. Now on your cereal box or whatever box, looking at the portion amount, right next to it is the gram amount, and every single nutritional label has this. And now I'm just gonna pour my cereal until I get to that amount of grams. And this is actually really convenient because you're not having to get out different measuring cups and worry about different units. So you can see here, I got it perfectly. Now, if I were to add more to this, such as strawberries or flax seeds, I would just zero it out and add more. That's that. Okay, so this is how you look up a vegetable or fruit in FitnessPal. So first you're going to put in what you're looking for, and you can see here I'm looking for red pepper, and there's lots of options. So I purposely left in my search so that you can see that I am looking for one that specifically shows grams. And this one shows grams, but it's not letting me switch the amount of grams. So I'm gonna keep searching until I find one that is just in grams. And this one shows cup. It's showing me lots of options, but grams is not one of them. So back to the drawing board. And once you find one and you have it in your log, then it's there and it will always default back to that. So found one, set to 100. I'm going to go in and I'm going to change the serving size to 1. And then I'm going to change the number of servings to 40, since that is the weight of the pepper earlier. And now you can see I have the exact calories of the pepper. So that pepper there in the video was about 100 calories.